Now, everything that you're going to do reinforces this message. So, for example, you want to showcase that you're similar to Amanda. You're also a mom of 2 kids. You get all of this. You get her. And so one way that you could kind of incorporate all of this into one beautifully sealed package is if instead of just showing an Instagram reel, let's say, of your local spot that you like to go to with your family, take a video of you there with your family with a voiceover, say, this is why I like to come here with my kids. Now you're showing them a few things. I'm an expert because I know the area. I have a family just like you, and I can resonate with you because I'm showing you things that are actually really appealing to you. So as long as your sort of social media strategy revolves around this, revolves around how can I be the expert, how can I show Amanda that I'm like her, and how can I continuously create value to her that she'll genuinely care about, right? Meaning a lot of the time people's lead magnet is a free buyer consultation. I hate that. Nobody cares about a buyer consultation, right? I'm going to be saying this until I die. Like, nobody cares about a buyer consultation. Amanda cares about places that she could take her family on a Sunday. So now your social media strategy could be more evolved around that. So the way I like to do this, and I'm going to kind of give you a little bit of homework to think about, we're not going to do this part on the call, is I would break down the different categories that Amanda that Amanda is interested in. So I would say maybe Amanda's interested in local parks or things to do with her family or date night spots, and create 4 or 5, doesn't matter however many categories. And now your social media each day has a specific topic that you're going to talk about. So let's say you've got 5 categories. You're going to be posting 5 times a week. Each time is going to be about one of those different categories. That makes sense?
Mm-hmm.
And it really, really makes it really laser focused on who you're targeting, and it makes it much easier for you to create social media content that makes you feel happy and excited, as opposed to just creating real estate related content all the time. Don't get me wrong, it's important, but there's a way to do it, and there's a time and a place for it. It's not all the time. I think what I would also do to make sure that you're not only seen as an expert in the area, but to make sure that you're seen as an expert in real estate, is to throw in a couple of extra written posts or carousels or videos, if you want, about investment tips or different budgeting tips, for example, for her, like ways that she could budget. And then again, so let's say you've now got an investment tip, or let's say a real estate fact. Let's do this. Let's do a real estate fact. Let's do a budgeting tip. And then let's do the other 5 categories that we were speaking about, 4 or 5 categories that she's interested in. Now you've got a healthy dose of content that she would engage in regardless of whether or not you're a realtor. She's seeing that you're an expert in the area. She's seeing that you know what you're talking about when it comes to money, finances, and real estate. And you're just an authority in everything that you need to be an authority on. And I think that is a really fine way of getting really hyper specific about the type of content that you need to be posting to attract the type of person that you want to be attracting. Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, how are you feeling just about that social media component?
I mean, you breaking it down this way kind of makes so much sense to me. Like it makes it easier this way.